This is the Savage Scientist, Ed, Governor of the state of Swampland, and I'm going to talk to y'all about what it is like to be a software engineer. Stand by, this video is about to start. This is the Savage Scientist, Ed, right here, and I'm over in a police car. Alright, so now that we got the intro out the way for this video, and let me show y'all my new fire-ass ring light that I got here, remote control ring light. Check that out. Oh yeah. So you probably know that I took my old ring light and I put it in a damn, see that? That's called the fundamental law of situations. When you're recording a video, you get a phone call. So let me answer this phone call, right? Alright, so now that I done did some editing, this ring light uses this remote control to change the brightness. Check that out, 0%, 1%. Got the 1% going. Check that out. You can see the temperature. So let's roll it up to 1%, 2%. And it could go out, that's just 23%. You could change the temperature of the lights. I think this is a damn good ring light. So let me get the camera back facing me now. So I want to talk to y'all about what it's like to be a software engineer. And right now, let me put this out right now. I'm working for IBM and I'm not writing any damn code. I'm very, very, very pissed off, but that's the reason why. We all say, just went got this Netgear home switch because I have a lot of devices I need to have connected. This video isn't sponsored by Netgear, but... And now, a word from the real sponsors of this video, the Swampland Department of Agriculture. And like they say, hogs on the stick, because they ain't about that bullshit. Here go the timestamps. If this video is too boring, jump to the part that's interesting to you. So, let's get to the video. You know, I want to unbox this now, but this video isn't about that. So, I'm talking to y'all about being a software engineer from home. I was assigned a project. I was part of a team, and we were working on this website to kind of emulate what it's like to put in job applications. So, this job was for a fictitious company called DCDR. It was to demonstrate the Agile process. So the Agile process is a continuous evolution of a product over time. So you might start off with some crap with your first iteration through the Agile process might be you getting nothing done. Probably your second iteration might be partial functionality. I'll probably say 1 to 5% functionality of the end product. So that just means we're going to keep evolving this until we get to desired results. So you're going to keep doing the same thing, write some code, then test some code, and then you're going to present it, then you're going to write some code again, test some code again, present, write, test, present. You know, it's kind of like rinse, repeat, that whole thing. So I'm going to do a video on software engineering, but this was a software engineering demonstration. So we had some requirements just saying that that the client came to us saying we want a project that's going to do this, and this. So let me show y'all what the requirements are. So you see, as you can see here, requirements. And so here go the requirements of the project. It is very important for us to meet these requirements because this is what our client is probably expecting. So let me move on and show you what it's like to be a software engineer from home. Yeah, when you start the day off, you get to get out of bed, you go straight to work, get to take breaks all day and bullshit and talk. But the work is still getting done here. So let me show you what a meeting is like for updating on the status of the project. So as you can see here, I'm talking about my part of this project. My part is just showing you the full stack development. And a full stack developer is a person who writes front end code. So as you can see in the beginning of this thing, that I have a landing page or a page where a user will put some information in. That's kind of like what the front end would be doing, or what front end developer would do, making it so that front end is beautiful. This is how programmers do it. We don't care about what it looks like. We just want to get shit working. So you'll see these boxes all misaligned and all that. Some front end developer is gonna come back and make all this stuff look pretty. So as you see, you probably see that this is a PHP working with a MySQL database, and we have a web server, an Apache web server running, and this is all under the WAMP stack. The WAMP stack that stands for Windows, Apache, Microsoft. Let's see, WAMP. The W is for Windows, A is for Apache, M is for MySQL, P is for PHP. That's the WAMP stack. And there's a LAMP stack and all kind of other one, MERN and all kind of other shit that I haven't used for this video. So we done this thing in WAMP. So you can see that I'm dealing with information or data being transposed or being input from the user interface, and now I'm about to process it on the back end to make it so this thing is gonna interface with our SQL database. And my goal here is just to demonstrate that the thing is working. And this was probably our second or third iteration, our third sprint. And sprint just means that we doing the work. We working hard. It's like we getting ready to present this information to the stakeholders, all the people who are in charge of this project. So this was our first run through it. Boom. So let's get this meeting done so you can see what's going on. So to start this off, I'm about to go into open the job posting page. That's this page right here that's open. And let's fill it out and put a job in here. And notice I added this hint so you can see what format the date should be in. So this job is going to have the number, that number, and the job name is going to be input job name. The description is going to be that. Company ID is going to be that. Posting date, this. Closing date is that. Just filling in all these numbers. Post by. Got another date here. Qualifications, there goes some qualifications. Salary range is $3. Job type, 60 hours a week. Location is local. Benefits is I just make up some benefits. Ready to work. Questions, 8 more questions. Hit the submit button. New record created successfully. And now let's see if this is actually created. Go in the database, refresh it. Remember that input job name, 9999. And I'm thinking that these date columns, they might just have to be changed into integers. But we could fix that this week. And there go all this good stuff, everything else is popping up the way it should. So we're gonna have to get together on this date stuff. And now let's go back and see what else this thing is doing. Hit view jobs. This is gonna change to say something like available jobs or job search. And this is where you would search for a job. So this is equivalent to the job search page with that pretty purple color and all that stuff. That's, search for job name, search by keyword. We're gonna fill all this. I'm gonna fill all this out to have all the things that the requirements we're looking for when you're looking for a job. And right here is where that last job should have displayed. So the results of a job search is gonna pop up right here. So you have job 1 and all that other good stuff. So let's see what happens when I do this. So this is just PHP parsing the results so I can know what I'm working with. And then I'm going to put this into a search queue. So that's everything working as far as for the job search. And that is explained in this thing that I wrote and put in our group message. All right, so after all this was done, this project evolved into a beautiful product. And this is just, I just wanted to give y'all a quick view of what the savage scientists really do. You see, I got this updated equipment in this bitch, I'm trying to get stuff looking nice and here, So, till I make my next video, peace out. And I just said, till I make my next video, peace out. I like to say it fast sometimes because it kind of make me look like a gangster in this bitch. See what I'm saying? You don't got a problem with that, I'll bust you in your head with this motherboard right here. Don't play with me. Till I make my next video again. Peace out.